Hello everybody, welcome to veenaskitchen.com. I am Veena and today let's see how to make a quick mango pickle. This will be ready in 2 days and you can serve it with steamed rice and chapati as well. This is a South Indian style, Kerala style of mango pickle. Alright, so I'm just going to take this mango. It is raw mango and it's so surprising that this area is ripe and the rest of the area is absolutely raw mango. I'm just going to cut it. Going to cut it into really tiny thin juliennes, not juliennes, thin pieces like so. So I'm just going to yep, it's very quick and very fun. So small thin pieces like so. So just I'm going to take a bowl and into it I'm going to add our mangoes. Need much time to be invested in it. Now into it I am going to add some salt. I'm going to be 3 tablespoons of salt. 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to take 2 small spoons and mix it well. This flavor. Alright, now it's all mixed well and nice. Once you feel like everything is mixed well, all you need to do is keep it overnight, close it with the lid, close it tightly, or wrap it with a towel, and then keep it overnight, and the next day we will make pickle out of it. So I'm just going to use a cloth like so and wrap it with a ribbon and place it overnight. Take a ribbon and keep it overnight. We will see it the next day. And the pickle has become nice. I kept it for 24 hours. The juice has all come out. See the mango juice. So now let's keep a pan. Pour 1/4 cup of coconut oil. That should be just fine. heat it very nicely. Since it is a Kerala pickle, I am going to use coconut oil. You can also use sesame oil. It's called til oil, til ka tel. That is also very tasty. It becomes very hot. So by the time it becomes very hot, I'm going to add about mustard seeds into it. This is about half a teaspoon of mustard seeds in the hot oil. You can see the steam has started to come. I'm just going to pour it and switch it off. Allow the mustard to splutter. Here is where the action starts basically. Ow! Stay away from the spluttering of the mustard. So while the mustard is getting spluttered, add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into it. Add about 1 teaspoon of asafoetida powder. And again, the magic masala that I am going to add is, this is the Eastern fish masala that I am going to add. I love this very much. You can also find the link of this masala, where to find it. I'll just put an Amazon link in it in the description. You can just add about 1 teaspoon or as per your spice requirement. I'm just going to add it, and remember I've switched off the flame here, and I really love this masala in the pickle. It is also a variation from our regular masalas that we usually put, which becomes quite boring after a while. So make your life a little interesting by changing the masalas. So here this is the one, and I just put the fish masala. And lastly, I am going, now you can see the masalas have become nice and cooked in the coconut oil. I'll just pour this pickle into it and stand back. You know, it smells really wonderful, and our pickle is ready. We don't have to wait for 3-4 days to dry in the sun or something. You can straight away have it with the steamed rice. It tastes delicious. You don't have to add too much of salt into it. So yes, our quick mango pickle, Kerala style, especially my style, is ready. Hope you like it. Please to give it a try. I will also show you the presentation. If you do like this video, do subscribe, like, share it with your friends also. Yeah, thank you. We will allow it to cool for a little while before serving it actually. So now it has cooled down. Can you see? Yeah, there you go. So once it cools down, store it in a refrigerator. Delicious mango pickle is now ready to be served. With steamed rice. Hope you had a wonderful time watching this video as much as I enjoyed making this. Please do give it a try and do let me know how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching veenaskitchen.com. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.